Hello students of 7th standard. We have started the lesson cell structure and microorganisms. Up till now we have studied many parts and many points of this lesson. Today again we are going to study some new points. See what is here. Sometimes when you are ill, the doctor prescribes you capsule or injection of medicines like penicillin. See what happens. Suppose if you are ill, then the doctor gives you capsules or you can say injections of medicines like penicillin. The type of medicine destroys the pathogen and retards the growth. So he gives such types of a medicine that would destroy the pathogen, or you can say that would destroy the growth of the microorganisms, and that would stop the growth of the microorganism. These are nothing but the antibiotics. What are they? They are nothing but the antibiotics. They are produced with the help of a specific, you can say, microbes. A particular antibiotic is produced with the help of a particular specific microbe. Disease like tuberculosis, typhoid, cholera, which were previously considered uncurable, have come under control because of the antibiotics. There were many diseases in the past which were not curable, but nowadays, using the antibiotics, we can cure many of the disease. For example, you can say tuberculosis, typhoid, cholera. This can be controlled and which are under control. Then see, domestic animals too can be protected from various diseases by mixing antibiotics with their food. Disease can also be controlled from, you can say, can be controlled with the help of the antibiotics. Now, whenever the animals are considered, we can use the antibiotics to the animals also. What we have to do? You have to mix this antibiotics with their food, and you have to give this food for the animals to eat so that they can eat and get cure from this disease. See their next one. Though antibiotics are useful for curing certain diseases, they can be harmful if used without consulting a physician. See, if we use these antibiotics without consulting the, you can say, physician for curing some disease, then it may be harmful also. Hence, a course of antibiotics should be completed strictly following the doctor's prescription. So, see, if you want to cure the disease, what you have to do? You have to take the dosage as per the doctor's prescription, and if you take it under doctor's supervision, it will be also very comfortable. In fact, we should not take any medicine on our own to treat ailments like body aches, headaches, common colds, etc. What we have to do? We should not take any medicine if we are having body aches, or you can say headaches, or you can say the common cold. Then see next one. Why infants vaccinated according to the fixed rate time? What is a vaccine? Now see, we are giving the vaccine to the particular children's in an particular period only. Why we are giving this? You can say this way. Why we are vaccinating the children's? See, the microorganisms do not grow in this period. After this period again they start to grow. So if we vaccinate such infants after a particular period, then their growth will be stopped. And if we take the fixed schedule of this, it will be very easy to kill the microorganisms. Then see next one. A vaccine is produced in an laboratory. Where is an vaccine produced? Vaccine is, you can say it is created or it is produced in an laboratory. Then see, with the help of the microbes. So how we are going to produce this vaccine in an laboratory? We are going to produce this vaccine in an laboratory with the help of the microbes. Now these microbes should have immunity against a particular disease. Now which microbes or which microorganisms which we have to take for this? So see, the microorganisms whichever are having the immunity against a particular disease, such microbes are only should be taken. See there, if you have been vaccinated against any disease or any disease, our immunity that is resistant to the disease increases, so that the possible of contracting that disease is greatly reduced. See, if you are vaccinated or if you are given vaccination against any disease, what happens there actually? That your immunity or your resistance to that disease increases, and it may be possible that the the possibility of contracting that disease is also greatly reduced. Microbes are also used in processes like tanning of skin. If you see, the microbes can be also used in tanning of skin, production of rope and strings from agave. Some microbes use oil for their growth. If you see, there are also some microbes which can be used for their growth. Such microbes used to clear a layer of oil floating on the surface of an ocean or a lake formed due to the leak or a spill to clear a oil slick. See, there are some organisms which are also used to clear the leakage or spill of oils into the you can say seas or oceans. Farm waste, human urine and feces, wet garbage is collected and used in a biogas plant to produce biogas and fertilizers. See, how we can produce the biogas? Biogas can be produced by farm waste, human urine, or you can say feces, wet garbage. All this is collected and it is used as the biogas plant which can produce the biogas and fertilizers. Then see next one, harmful microorganism. What happens to the sweet meat or bread forgotten in the lunch box for 3 to 4 days? See, if we forgot sweet meat or bread in a lunch box for 3 to 4 days, what happens there? Then see, if jar of a pickle, jams, murabba are opened after a long time, a round layer of a white scum or black particles may appear to be have formed on the surface. In the summer, milk and meat get spoiled quickly. Fungus grows quickly on moist stale food. What do we do with such spoiled food and why? What is mean by food poisoning? See there, as they use foodstuffs for their own nutrition, some microbes release toxic materials. See, there are some foodstuffs which are having their own nutrition but they are having also the microbes which release the toxic materials, which is also called as a enterotoxin, and these food materials releases the toxic materials into the food. Such toxins spoil the food. Eating such spoiled food can cause loose motion and vomiting.